for me, our human-centered design playbook.
Ooh.
Going to the contents really quickly.
Okay.
Pick one thing and give a tip to the audience.
Okay. Oh, user personas.
Go.
When you're designing your learning solution, always have your user persona front of mind. So have it like stick it up on your desk, have it on your desktop, wherever you need to see it, so that every single decision you make, you're thinking about that end user and you're looking at that user persona, because you are designing for an actual human being. You're not just designing for, like, see it as like one human being that you're designing for and make decisions based on that.
I like it. If you want to learn how to do that and enhance your instructional design skills, check out our human-centered design playbook or the online course or the ultimate kit on the creatorhub.belvistastudios.com.